Sarbvir Singh, Joint Group CEO of PB Fintech, is also now joining us to help us understand more. Sarbvir, how strong do you think the case is building now for removal of GST on insurance?
I think it's a very strong case in the sense that it's been a long-standing demand. And if you think about it, term insurance and health insurance are very important for the middle class to protect themselves. And this could make a difference of anywhere between 3 to 5,000 rupees per policy. This I'm talking of like a 30-year-old with a small family. Now, when you extend this to senior citizens, supposing once you cross 60 and all, then the amount of savings is really, really significant and will make health insurance, especially, much more affordable. Now, if you think about it, it's a tough one because I think there is some loss of revenue to the exchequer. But the other way of looking at it is that as we move towards 2047 and the dream of having a developed nation, Viksit Bharat, as we call it, there is also a huge regulatory push from the IRDA to say that we should cover all Indian citizens by 2047. So I think this would be a very big step towards that. And I think it would really help if this can be done.
Before I let you go, just want to understand how are the volumes right now in the industry, especially for insurance? Because, there was an overhang. This budget also got, the sense was that there could be some other restriction or curb or additional tax, but it didn't. No negatives actually, this budget regarding the insurance space, like it was the case last time around. So have the volumes picked up? Is that, how things on ground at your platform?
Yeah, I would say that yes, the budget in that sense was neutral for the insurance industry, and I think there's no change. The volumes have been quite decent in the first quarter, if you see, for life insurance. So I think people are buying products. On the health side, also, the premium numbers are very good. The growth for the market has been over 20%. But the challenge, I think, as your colleague also pointed out, is that the number of policies is not growing at the same rate. So I think it's a kind of a mixed picture where I would say that the premium side is doing well. But I think the penetration in terms of number of people, we need to do more to increase that number.
All right. Thanks very much, Sarbvir, to help us understand that. Let's